So now we want to look at the features of PowerPoint. First, we have the Home tab. The Home tab is a combination of most popular tools or most used tools. And if you are familiar with Microsoft Word, you should know what all this does. First, on the Home tab, we have the new slide. This is what we call slide. So the new slide helps you add more slides. So normally when you create a new presentation, you have only one slide or two if you are using a pre-installed thing. So this new slide helps you add more slides to your presentation. But here we have the picture. That means you can insert picture from your computer to the presentation. You can insert any picture from your computer on the presentation and you'll be able to edit it. Then also in the insert tab, you also have screenshots. This means you can take screenshots of your screen environment. So this is white now. So you just have to drag across where you want to be, when you want the screenshot to be taken, and you take the screenshot and copy it to the presentation for you. So that's a useful feature. Then also in the insert tab, we also have the shapes. So you can insert any shapes. You can insert text. So just insert the text bar and write anything you want. So we can also insert video. You can insert video. So just click on video, then video on my PC. You'll be able to add a video from your laptop or your computer. So we have the video here, you can play it. You can also insert audio on my PC. You can record audio. So I can choose to record an audio file. Maybe I want to have my voice in the presentation. I want to record a voice. I could just record it or select audio from the audio file from my computer. So you can drag it from here to this side. So you can add audio. So you can record screen as well. You can record your screen. This also works just like the screenshots. So if you want to enable the audio, you can click here to enable it, but now it is disabled. If you click it, now it is enabled. You can also choose to show your mouse pointer by clicking this. Then you select area. When you select area, you just drag across where you want to when you want to record. Then click record. So record this a bit. So you have a countdown from 1 to 3, then you'll be able to record the screen. If you want to stop, just move your mouse to this side and press stop. Now we've recorded the screen now. You can play it. Also, the transition. These are another important part of PowerPoint. So transition is like you opening a book from one page to another. So opening a slide to moving from one slide to another, you need transition to make it look attractive. So the transition is how you want the one slide to move into another slide. So it won't just appear to the next slide. It has to appear in a particular way, in a particular style. So for example, let's put a push transition here. So when you are moving, put a push transition here. So now you play the slideshow. So this will move from this in this way. So that's what transition is. So and when you set transition, it is very important to click this after. So here we see advanced slide here, advanced slide on mouse click, then after. So if you are going to create a video, you can't control the slide by clicking in the video. So you have to select a time, a particular time in which you want the slide to move into the next slide. So you can just select the slide in seconds. So yeah, so it's very important to enable this after. Now move to animations. So animation is different from transition. Transition is movement between slides. So the style you want the style in which you want the slide to move into the next slide. But animation only applies to objects. Animation applies to objects. You can apply animation to text. You can apply animation to text. So you have the animation option. What way do you want the animations to? Where do you want the animations to start from? What shape do you want, or what direction, or what sequence do you want the animation to start from? We have three types of animation. We have entrance animation, emphasis, and exit. Entrance is how you want the animation to start. Then emphasis is what if you want to emphasize on an object. What do you want the object? How do you want the object to behave? To emphasize on an object. So if you want to emphasize on this now, I just use the spin to start spinning. So you want the viewer to put focus on this object, so we emphasize on it. We emphasize on the object. And exit animation is how you want the object to disappear, or how you want it to go away from the screen. So you can add three of these animations to one object at the same time. So all you need to do is choose the entrance animation first. Choose the entrance animation, then you click on add animation, then emphasize. If you want to add emphasis, emphasize, then add another animation to add exit animation, add animation, then exit. That for exit. So everything we've assigned will show here. This is for the text. This is the entrance. Entrance is denoted with green color. It is shown in green color. So entrance is green, emphasis is yellow, then exit is red. And from here you can select how you want, in the order in which you want the animation to show. So we want the entrance to show first, so it will start from the beginning. We have the time in here, seconds. The time is in seconds here. So we want the entrance to start first. After that we want the emphasis to follow. But this shows the length of the animation. This is too long, so we can decrease it from here. The duration of the animation can make it 50 or 25 seconds. Then the emphasis, we want it to start after this. We'll move it. The delay, we are going to delay it for 25 seconds, sorry, or 50. See, this is 50, this is 50, and the delay is 0, so this will be 50. So it will start immediately after this. Then the entrance, you can also set it from here, the duration and the delay. This will be 75 or 1.150. So from here, just click on after previous. So this will start after all the other animations have taken place, but it is advisable to use with previous in case you have an audio file or a video file. If you use after previous, the exit animation will start after the audio has finished playing. So I use with previous and I set it manually. So now I just click on the first one and click play from, and it will start playing. So it emphasizes, then it will exit. So that's that about animation. So duration is how long you want the animation to take place. Delay is how long you want when you want the animation to start. Now slideshow allows you to view what you are doing, preview what you are working on while you are still working on it. So it will let you know how the result will look like. To let you know what the result will look like. So you can preview from the beginning or from the current slide. You can record also. When you record slide, record from beginning or current slide, you'll be able to record sound as well. Maybe you can record audio as well. So as I'm talking now, it's recording to save the audio and the time. So this is the audio I just recorded now. So you can play the audio from here as well, add audio, so when you record it will record your voice as well. Then view, here we have the ruler, and to add this you click on the ruler, tick the ruler to show the ruler. So this serves as a guideline for us. We don't need the grid line, we don't really need that much, but we need the guides. The guides are those lines in between. Just hold down control to duplicate these guides. We are going to bring it to the edge of the slide, so it will serve as a borderline for us. So hold down control to drag it to duplicate the guides. So I'm using this line as my guide to know where to put it. So that's how I know where to place it. So 650, then the one at the middle I'll place it up on top at 350. And I'll also drag it to the bottom as well. One more thing is, here we have the export to video. This is how you convert what you've done to video. So you can create a PDF, you can export to video, you can create animated GIF, as just a moving picture without sound. You can burn it to CD, you can create an handout, or save it as another file type. So we are going to use video here. Here we can select the resolution for our video. You can use 4K, that's the highest quality. That's the best quality, and the large size. We have the 1080p. This is a large file size and a better for good quality, but I always use 720p. 720p is a medium file size and a moderate quality, so you have lesser file size and you don't lose the quality of your video. Now we also come here and use recorded timing and narration. This is going to save the audio you recorded alongside with the slides. I want it to be added to the video. You click on this, then bring this down to 0, then create your video. One more thing you need to do first is to go to File, Home. Before you save to video, go to File, then Info. Then from Info, click on Optimize Media Compatibility. In case you want to play the video on another computer or on another platform, this will allow it to be compatible with any platform you play the video on. So you also do this compress media. Can compress media. So use 720p. When you compress media, it will reduce the file as well. To reduce the file, this is the initial file size, then to reduce it to a lower size, it will be compressed. So when you want to create a video, the file won't be too large. So make sure you do this before you save your videos. And you close. One other way to do it is to go to picture. If you have a picture, like now we have a picture, or a shape, go to compress pictures, untick this one, apply only to this picture. You want to apply it to all the picture in the whole presentation. Untick apply to this picture, because we want it to apply to all pictures in the slide in the whole presentation. So it's going to compress the whole picture, the whole media file. You are going to have a low file size when you export to video. It is very helpful. So now let's start creating slides.